solve the system of equations by using elimination. You must show your work using this method to receive full credit. State if there is no solution or infinite solutions. So when we're solving by using elimination, what we want to do is we want to get two of the variables to be, or two of the coefficients, or the numbers in front of the variables to be the same but opposite. So for example, we might want it to be 5x and negative 5x, so that when we add them together, they cancel each other out. So that's our goal. So let's look at these. How could we get these to be the same but opposite? We can use multiplication, and so I'm just looking at these first two. Why don't we get these to be 10 and negative 10? So to get this top one to be 10, I'm going to multiply by 2. Now I need to multiply every single term. We want to keep this equation balanced, and so that's going to multiply by 2. So I'll get 10x minus 6y equals 6. All right, the second equation, I want this first term to be negative 10. So to get that 2 to be a negative 10, I need to multiply it by negative 5. And again, I'm going to multiply every single term all the way down. So I'll get negative 10x plus 25y. It changes every single sign, notice. So this first one's negative, the second one will be positive, and the last sign, negative times negative, will become positive. So equals 70. Okay, now this is going to be great. This is exactly what we wanted. We wanted the same number but opposite, so that when we add them together, they cancel out. Negative 6 plus 25y gives us a 19y equals 76. Now we can solve for y. We divide by 19 on each side, and this just works out beautifully. Y equals 4. So we have one of them, but again, remember, we're looking for the place two lines cross. So this is an ordered pair. We need the x-coordinate and the y-coordinate. So what we're going to do is substitute this y in to either equation and solve for x. So let's do 2x minus 5y, or 5 times 4, equals negative 14. 2x minus 5y, yep. Okay, so we have 2x minus 20 equals negative 14. We're going to add 20 to each side. We want to isolate the x. Notice I'm giving myself plenty of space, so we can have room to work it out. So 2x equals negative 14 plus 20, or 6. Divide by 2 on each side, so we get x equals 3. So our final answer then would be the point 3, 4. This is the point these two lines would intersect. One thing you can do to check is you can put 3, 4 in to either of these two equations and make sure they come out as true. If they both come out true, you know that 3, 4 is the correct solution for these lines.